get their response.
It was the turn of support staff from the Attorney General's chambers to appear before the parliamentary chambers on commission statutory authorities and state enterprises investigating the 6 billion shillings reward to 42 government officials for their roles in the successful oil tax litigation in London, UK. On the schedule of the oil cash beneficiaries, support staff from the different agencies involved in the cases were paid 50 million shillings gross. MPs questioned copy typists and tea ladies from the Attorney General's chambers. A typist, Juliet Nawaya, said she also made phone calls and organized meetings for the people involved in the oil tax cases. She took home 35 million shillings for her effort.
My role in this matter, I was assisting in typing correspondences, organizing documents, delivering documents to various institutions. I received 35 million, that is after tax, and I wouldn't be offended if I didn't get it.
How much do you earn a month?
422,000.
420?
422,000 net.
Another support staff from the same office, Veronica Namwenge, took home 35 million shillings after the statutory tax deductions from the 50 million shillings she was paid in gross.
To make sure I supervise the whatever.
You supervise what?
Lunch for them.
What do you mean by supervising lunch?
The people are the whatever who was the servers or the waiters. Then we could leave late.
So you would supervise by doing what? You would supervise by doing what?
By showing them where to put the whatever, the dishes.
Where to put the plate?
Yes.
Okay.
And also to introduce for them, this is so and so, make sure you serve them very well.
How much did you get?
I got 35 million.
35 million?
The last for questioning among the Attorney General's support staff was Sylvia Nachividango. She prepared and served tea for the officers as they crunched the numbers and prepared for oil tax cases. She also took home 35 million shillings of oil cash.
How much did you get?
I got 35 million.
35 million.
The role is preparing tea for my bosses. Then, in this case, I used to provide logistical support. That's preparing tea.
What is logistical support? Don't use that very complicated word.
The committee also interrogated commissioners in the Attorney General's chambers to explain their individual roles in the oil tax cases. Robina Rakojo, who is now the Gomba West MP, took home 93 million shillings. She told the committee that they deserved the reward because some of the officials were not well paid in their jobs.
The Ministry of Justice are overworked and underpaid. Yeah, you have to accept that. It is the case. We've been trying through the years to get them a salary increase, which we had not succeeded in getting, but I must state for the record that they are overworked and underpaid.
However, she further said the reward was not accordance with the Public Service Standing Orders.
Now, in spite of the fact that this wasn't done according to the government standing orders, it would be right and fitting that people who do well are thanked for that.
No, but you see, I'm talking about a policy, because as I was saying before, we need to make policy recommendations.
Harriet Tukamushawa told the committee that she traveled to London 4 times but could not recall what exactly she went to do there.
I'm not aware about that.
You are not aware? Okay.
Other commissioners, including Mary Nankawira, who got 235 million shillings gross, Martin Mwambusya got 235 million gross, and George Kalemere, who was paid a similar amount, were also grilled. Next week, the committee is expected to meet officials from the Inspectorate of Government and the Office of the Auditor General. Maurice Ochol, NTV at Parliament.